So I wanted to show you guys how to open up a PDF in Google Classroom. I've got the assignment open here, and I can tell this is a PDF because it says so in giant letters. I'm going to click on the assignment, open it up, and on this I can't do anything with it. So I'm going to have to go over here to the three dots in the top right corner. I'm going to click on that and say open in new window. Now it gives me this little box up here that says open with, and I've had various people send me documents that say I can't do anything with this, and it says up here at the top open with. So that shows me that you didn't actually open the document. I'm going to choose, just to show you what not to do, I'm going to choose Google Docs. And if I open up a PDF in Google Docs, you can see, okay, fine, I will take you out of the trash. It looks like this. Not good, right? So we're not going to use Google Docs for a PDF. Instead, I'm going to go back here and I'm going to say open with Lumin. If I haven't used Lumin before, it's going to show up here under suggested third-party apps. I have used it, so it's right there. Every time I use it, it's going to ask for permission to connect to Google Drive. And I have done this on both Mac and PC and with the Safari, Google Chrome, and Firefox browsers. So it ought to work for you. The only problem I see is maybe if you have a really old operating system, it might not work. So I've got free text here. I'm going to take that and I'm going to draw where I want to type my text. And for this particular part, I'm supposed to write the phenotype or physical appearance for each item. Big R, little r are the alleles that code for round eyes on a sponge. So I'm going to type round eyes there. If I don't like the placement of it, I can move it. You can also use this to write freehand. I don't have a touch screen computer right now, so it's a little awkward and slow to do this with the mouse. But if you have a stylus and a touch screen, feel free to use the freehand tool. Okay. Now, when I'm done working on the document, I'm going to click on this little upload arrow here. I can also click on download and save it to my computer. I'm just going to sync this with my Google Drive. So I need to click that little box, sync with Google Drive. And I have to say create copy and sync. And it says it was successfully synced. Okay, so I'm going to go back into Google Classroom now. And I did notice that what's nice about this Lumin thing is that if I decided I need to go back and work on my document, and let me close these out, I'll show you. I'm going to click on that and again open a new window. And open with Lumin. Connect to Google Drive. Choose my account. Sorry, it's a little slow. I think I have too many windows open right now. And you'll see that it's my changes are still there, so I don't have to worry about them disappearing. So that's a nice aspect of this. All right, to turn it in, I had Satori point out to me that when he turned it in, it didn't actually show any of his work. So I went in and looked at that problem, and I have to click on this add or create here, and then I'm going to go into my Google Drive. And unfortunately, I'm going to see more than one version of this document. The first one here is, this is the one that I opened up from Google Classroom, and it doesn't have any changes in it. So the one I need to work with is this one, which it's the first one that shows up. So I'm going to click on that and say add, and then turn it in. I hope this was helpful, guys. Oh, I guess I better get rid of that one.